Hey guys, Hobbybox604 back with another 20 break. This is group break number 188, which is a box of 1314 Ultimate Collection. Box number is 933. Good luck, everyone. See if we can get lucky. All the bases are parallel there, Shobo. Thin pack. Okay, let's see. Come on, Ultimate. Okay. First card goes to Colorado. Colorado Avalanche. Base card of Joe Sakic. 240 of 499 for the Avalanche. Next card goes to Chicago. Number 79 of 499. Ultimate Rookie Drew LeBlanc for the Blackhawks. Got a little ding on the bottom there, as you can see on camera probably. Uh-oh, we have a redemption, everyone. Let's go with this one first. Ultimate Jerseys, Jordan Eberle for the Edmonton Oilers. And let's slow roll this. Okay, Ultimate Collection. Ultimate Rookies to 99. Wow. Nice. For the New York Islanders, Ryan Strome. Boom. Where's our light? There you go. Come on, zoom. Ultimate Collection, Ultimate Rookies to 99, Ryan Strome for the New York Islanders. Nice hit there, Islanders. Nice hit. There you go, boys and girls. This is what $2 can get you. A Ryan Strome rookie to 99. Thanks for watching, guys. We have another box of Ultimate coming right after.